Hello guys and welcome back! Samahan niyo ako, maglakad tayo around Istanbul. Tara! Sa loob to ng looban actually ng malapit sa Cerkesi, Sofia Garden. Ay. Guys, tingnan nyo, sa Istanbul to, sa isang area na malapit sa aming hotel sa Cerkesi. Look at that. It's nice. And look at the houses here. Medyo kakaiba siya. Look. And look at that. Look at that. The houses are nice. This area. Sa left side, yung mga houses are nice. Look at that. Parang uniform sila ng pagkakagawa sa left side. Restaurant, Sofia Terrace Cafe Restaurant and Top Cafe Patisserie. Look at that. So ganyan ang mga mosque sa Turkey. Eto, nasa ano pa rin tayo, malapit pa rin tayo sa accommodation ko sa hotel ko sa Orca Royal Hotel. Nasa Cerkesi siya and between Cerkesi and nakalimutan ko yung isang lugar, Cerkesi and I forgot, but malapit yung Cerkesi, tsaka yung susunod sa Cerkesi yun ang malapit dito sa aking accommodation sa Orca Royal Hotel at malapit siya sa Central. Lalakarin mo na lang ang Egyptian Bazaar, then Hagia Sophia and the Blue Mosque. So lakad lang. At malapit din dito yung famous na masarap at murang fish sandwich. 130 lang yung fish sandwich plus Coca-Cola in can. Ito nyo yan guys, mosque there and then there's another mosque down there and then there's another one something. Ang daming mosque sa Turkey. Look at that. Mosque. Those are still waiting mosque there. And then there's another mosque. Yes, right here. Sa malapit sa Bosphorus River. That guys, maliliit yung bahay. Tapos maliliit yung nasa Istanbul to, no? Ganyan ka-close ang kanilang metro sa tao guys. Meron din dito sa tabi ko. Yan. Metro ang tawag nila. So, nasa area kami ng Cerkesi and Burhani in Istanbul, Turkey. Sultan to Mahmud, Sultan Abdulaziz and Sultan Abdul Hamid. So, pasok tayo. Para siyang mga libingan ng mga sultan. So, look at that. There you go. Look. So, I think mga libingan siya. There. Try. Look. Sa mga old na libingan. Siguro napaka-eerie nito sa gabi.
Lagyan ko lang ito.
Look at that. There you go. Parang ganyan siya, madami siya. Ayan pa guys. Si Sultan Abdulaziz Hanin. Yan guys, yan parang kakaibang libingan na siguro, old na libingan sa mga sultans. You know?
The yacht and the river cruises just passing by around the Bosporus River. This shot was taken before we head to Galata Tower.
Kami ni Charlie sa chicken tabuk yun. So ito yung tabuk doner. In-order namin ni tabuk, chicken, tabuk chicken or chicken wrap or chicken sandwich. 180 lira siya, Turkish lira. So kumakain kami dito sa sidewalk ng Turkey sa Istanbul. Bosporus yun, yung river na yun. That's Bosporus. Bosporus River. Yan yung pinagkainan. Yeah. Galata Tower. So ito ng Galata Tower in Istanbul, Turkey. Galata Tower. Medyo steep yung daan niya papunta doon. And then there's a Galata Tower.
Guys, the Galata Tower is an old Genoese tower in the Galata part of the Beyoğlu district of Istanbul, Turkey. It was built as a watchtower at the highest point of the walls of Galata. The tower is now an exhibition space and museum and a symbol of Beyoğlu and Istanbul. It provided an excellent surveillance from inside the walls of the city and had crucial military importance. It was also later used as a fire detection tower during the Ottoman Empire before it was converted into a prison during the rule of Sultan Sulaiman the Magnificent.
Ito ang Galata Tower sa Turkey, Istanbul. Mahaba yung pila niya. So, hindi na kami pipila kasi napakahaba niya. Ang entrance niya and nandun pa. Iikot pa. And then, here's the queue, the end of the queue. Andun pa sa dulo. So, hindi na kami pipila. So, that's the Galata Tower. Nakapunta na ako dyan the other time na nagpunta ako ng Istanbul.
So guys, ito naman ang video ng nighttime vibes around Galata area. Maingay siya, masaya,
Galata
pero
Tower,
tourist area. Ganun talaga, madaming pumupuntang turista, kanya medyo maingay. So enjoy natin yung nighttime vibes around the Galata area.
Kaya magileyin dedim ben müşteri yatırır. Ama hayır bak müşterideki tek bu. Şimdi böyle. Buraya gidelim.
So there you have it guys. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa ating paglalakad around Istanbul. I'll see you again next time. Bye!